Okay, hi guys. So I did record a video, but I decided not to save that one because it was my first time, and yeah, it was bad, and I don't want to talk about that girl, like I did in the other video. Recording. Say hi for shout outs. Say hi for shout out. Okay. Wait, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I didn't know except my friend's request. Oh my gosh. I'm literally screaming. I'm sorry, so sorry. But I'm literally so happy. I did not expect for her to friend me at all. Okay. All my friends just ignore me. Hello, darkness, my old friends. Oh, this girl's really cute, but that's because she's trying to be a baby, but she's not one. She's how would you know how to write status updates like that if you're a baby? Look, the is explosive, you know this. I can only take you in small doses. I would say it's right there where my thing is. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, I'm actually gonna do like a thank you. Okay, we don't want to say this, but it's on my channel. Maybe I should get like a Halloween background. I mean, I do have a little money, but I'm trying to save it up. So maybe I could do like this. I mean, it's pretty spooky. Actually, I think I found it. This, okay? Okay. Okay, let's start this. So, it's gonna be hard, but I know that I'm doing it correct. This. Now this, change color to... Okay, I need to move it a little over. Change color to orange. I never thought I could actually record like this, okay? So don't judge me. Okay. Minnie May. I'm sorry that I don't know how to spell that word. Everybody's gonna be screaming at me like, oh no, that's the easiest word in the world. Not for me, okay? Nay. Okay, I guess we'll just try to spell it. Okay, so today I'll be doing a Halloween giveaway. But there is a twist. There is a twist. You twist. You will be picking a what's the word again? Picking a number of 1, 2, 3. Comment which number. And the twist is if you choose the wrong number, you will get a trick. If you choose the right number, you will get a shout out on my channel and a gift and the gift will not be noob stuff. I will be choosing 10 people for each one. If you get tricked, I will trick you some sort of way. Be careful and choose wisely. Wisely. No, that doesn't sound right. Wisely. So I have a shout out. I don't think you can put a heart in these. Yeah, you cannot. Sorry I'm not talking a lot. Oh yeah, by the way, my keyboard is broken. Okay. Okay, there you go. Werewolves of London. Werewolves of London. I've actually heard that song before. I know it's weird, but there you go. Werewolves of London. Thriller. Demons. Search up at your own risk. Oh my gosh. Because they might see a picture of demons. Anyways. Somebody's watching me. Somebody's watching me. I always feel like somebody's watching me. Gosh, I know that song. This is Halloween. Everybody make a scream. Halloween. This is Halloween. The Monster, Ghostbusters, Monster Mash. He did the mash. He was a great old smash. He did the mash. He did the Monster Mash. He did the mash. Ghostbusters. The monster. The monster. No. The monster. Now I'm gonna make it a pattern. So this. Light orange. Darkest red. Go to sleep. Have a good rest of your day or night. Go to sleep.